Susenji.
We're at the Susanji station. 7 minutes yung arrival ng bus. So we're in a area near Shin Osaka. So this is yung train nila.
Station under construction. Very new.
Oo nga no, kasi may bago no, you know? Oo nga, they're building or adding additional lines no, sa station na to. Sa station na to, of course, kahit na maliit na station, organize yung waste disposal, you can buy drinks, there's toilet, comfort room, then ito, small gates lang siya, few gates, pwede kang pumasok. So what's your comment sa ano to?
Nice. It's a
So,
new station, so there isn't a
and there's a free wifi. You can use no? Emergency. Ito na? Ha? Ito, sure ka? Ah, hindi. Dumaan lang siya eh. Pass through lang siya.
It's an express train, so it has limited stops.
Ah,
Habulan, ano ba dapat eh? 7 minutes, 6 minutes from now pa.
yung isa, yung
Yung regular.
hmm.
So,
So we're taking the regular train, express train. Yung people collecting yung waste, no? Ito, express also. Gina-charge mo card mo. Ito yung train nila. So we're far away dun sa mga busy areas no, ng Osaka. Just to have a feel of life. Way of life here in the Osaka suburbs. Hindi naman masyado malayo, no? But we're not staying dun sa mga center. Kasi kung center more expensive, we're taking actually no, kasi we're a big group family. Sa small station.
oh, pwede pala, it's ano, instead of crossing the stairs, you could pass through the actual trails.
Ha? Delikado yun ah.
May stoplight naman. Oh, may road eh.
Oo ano?
Pwede tayo na ganun lang eh. Sa lakad, sa stairs.
Yeah, but delikado no?
And stairs.
So delikado.
Oh.
May nagko-cross doon no?
Stairs, guys.
Quite dangerous. Saka may nag-maintain talaga din no?
Get to the other platform.
I think dito bagong train to na kasi bagong kanila oh, construction.
You know what they call it now?
Ano yan?
Yeah, it's a braille block. It's for the blind.
Ah, ito?
Yeah, but I told you.
Ganun na nila?
Yeah, they can feel on their feet.
Galing ah. They have braille system oh. High tech.
Try mo daw mag-line. Kaya mo isalay.
Hindi pero sa anong marker mo dyan?
Ito.
Ayan.
Tingnan sa paa nila yung bump.
Then they can read. Galing ah.
Follow the route with